In artificial intelligence, backtracking search is a fundamental technique used to systematically explore the search space of a problem in order to find a solution. It's commonly applied in constraint satisfaction problems, CSPs, combinatorial optimization problems, and various other types of search problems. Here's how backtracking search works in AI. 1. Variable assignment. The search begins with an initial state or configuration of the problem. Variables are selected one by one, and values are assigned to them in an attempt to reach a solution. 2. Value selection. For each variable, a value is selected from its domain. This value assignment is tentative and subject to validation against constraints or problem-specific conditions. 3. Constraint satisfaction. After assigning a value to a variable, the current state is checked for consistency with respect to constraints or problem conditions. If the current assignment violates any constraints or conditions, the algorithm backtracks and tries a different value for the variable. 4. Backtracking. When backtracking occurs, the algorithm revisits previous variable assignments and explores alternative choices. It backtracks to the most recent decision point, variable assignment, and tries a different value for that variable. If no valid value can be found for the variable, the algorithm backtracks further to previous decision points until a valid solution is found or all possibilities are exhausted. 5. Completion. The search continues recursively, exploring different branches of the search tree until a solution is found or it's determined that no solution exists. 6. Optimizations. Various optimizations can be applied to improve the efficiency of backtracking search, such as variable ordering heuristics. Choosing the order in which variables are selected can affect the search efficiency. Value ordering heuristics. Selecting the order in which values are tried for a variable can influence the search progress. Constraint propagation. Applying domain reduction techniques to prune the search space and eliminate inconsistent choices early in the search process. 7. Solution verification. Once a solution is found, it is verified to ensure that it meets all problem requirements and constraints. Backtracking search is a complete and systematic approach to problem solving, guaranteeing that all possible solutions are explored until a valid one is found. However, its efficiency depends on factors such as problem size, structure, and the effectiveness of optimization techniques employed.